Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.